You've been disqualified from driving, yeah? In this video, I'm going to be talking you guys through the steps on what to do when you lose your licence. So welcome to JBS Garage, and if you're watching this, you're either a criminal like me, yes, you are a criminal, or you're just a loyal subscriber who enjoys watching the videos. But if you're not subscribed, take 2 seconds to just go do that now. So before we get into the main content of this video, guys, just go down to the comment box below and tell me why you've been banned from driving. I want to hear all your personal experiences. And for the people that haven't been banned, don't pass judgment on anyone, please, because it's all about positivity here. Don't be a cunt. So, you just received a driving ban. What do you do now? Firstly, assess your situation and put everything into perspective. Did you just receive a community order, or did you get a suspended sentence? Or just ban by itself? Think to yourself now, is it really that bad? I narrowly avoided 6 months myself since I here, and my best friend from before, he's got over a 6-year sentence for a driving offence. Do you know what I mean? Think about it that way. You could definitely have it a lot worse, because I haven't seen my friend in 3 years now. With a driving ban comes a lot of mental difficulties. If you're an enthusiast like myself here, your car or bike is like the main part of your personality. It is who you are, yeah? And you would do anything to be back on it right now. It's not worth the risk to drive without a licence and without insurance right now, and you should know that. The fact you're on a ban, life is giving you a second chance. Trust me. Throughout my ban, I've had my ups and downs, and right now I'm actually in a huge step down about everything. Do you know what I mean? Because who wouldn't be? I'm on a ban. I can't drive. I love my cars and love my bikes. I can't do anything anymore. But that is okay. Do you know what I mean? Because I have 1 year left, and I'll get through this. You need to think positively about everything. Do not be pissed at anyone, not even yourself. Because yeah, it's your fault, but this has happened now. Do you know what I mean? You need to think about the future. You can't change the past, can you? All you can do is be excited to be on the road again. If you suffer from depression, as I did when receiving your ban, then your ban can actually affect you really bad in your head. And you will suffer a lot mentally. That's where willpower and strength of mind come into play. It's just a car or bike. You will be fine. If you had a job beforehand and you still have that job, you are lucky. This doesn't really apply to you. But still listen anyway, because there's still some handy tips in here. Trying to find work with a criminal record is not easy at all. I was looking for a mechanic's job for so long. It was just stuck in my head that that's what I love, that's what I want to do, that's what I'm going to do. But the problem is, yeah, even though I've got experience in it, I've got this YouTube, I've got all these good qualities, no one wanted me because I had a ban. Do you know what I mean? And then I was putting myself down all the time just trying to get this one type of job. But in reality, all I need to do is open my fucking eyes and realise I can work any job, yeah? And as soon as I actually opened my eyes up and realised that, I had an interview, and now I'm starting my job tomorrow, believe it or not, guys. Do you know what I mean? As you probably heard in the last episode. It's that easy. Come on, like, stop getting stuck in that same mindset of I have to do it this way, I have to do it my way. Fuck your way. Do it the way you have to do to survive. And that's what you'll go in if you get a ban too. And also, someone I went to school with, guys, crashed here 2 days ago. He was doing 80 miles per hour, drunk as fuck. He's gone straight over all of that, look. And he's come straight up here doing 80 miles per hour. And he's gone straight into that tree up there. The floor's completely turfed up, there's oil fucking everywhere from where he's destroyed his sump on that curb. And look, he's come up here, bang! And there's a tree. The car actually landed this side of the tree, the front here. So facing back on itself because it hit and just spun round. Absolutely crazy. Fucking dickhead, that's all I can say about that. Right, so guys, now the next steps in your driving ban are very circumstantial. Sorry I'm reading off the sheet by the way guys, I skipped the video. I was just trying to make it good for you guys. Yeah? If your ban is over 4 years, you can appeal every 6 months to the courts. Only the court that you actually got done by them. So say for example, through like as me, Stanford Magistrates Court, that's who I would write to. You have to write a letter to the courts every 6 months and appeal. Yeah? You can't do it more than that, and if you do, you're just a twat because it ain't gonna work. Alright? And I would recommend appealing to your court because what is the worst that can happen? They say no. That's the worst, yeah? But if they say yes, your driving ban can get lifted much, much earlier. And that is always a good thing. This can also be appealed if there's information that's been missed, or there's some new information you found out about the case, or if there's just anything like that, you know what I mean? There's new evidence. You know, you can just appeal, get your thing down. If your ban was for drink or drug charges, you can actually do a course and get 6 months taken off of your ban as well, you lucky bastards. See, I went drinking and driving, I've got to take a course. But anyone that did, even if it was a 12-month ban, can take a course and get 6 months off. I've got a 2-year ban for dangerous driving, and now look at me. I can't get any of that appealed because it's under 4 years. Such a shame. So, it's now time, boys. It's 56 days before your ban ends. And do you know what that means? It's time to reapply for your provisional. Or if you're lucky, you'll get your pink licence back because you didn't do bad enough to get that taken. If you're like me or any other people, you've lost your licence completely. You have to retake your test. Now, some people have to take an extended test if they did really bad, but I don't, so I'm quite lucky on that front. Now, to apply for this, you need to either go online or go to a post office or something and get a form to fill out. And unfortunately, because you've had a ban, your licence costs a lot more to actually apply for now. Because originally, we all know it was £34, but now it's a bit more than £34 because you're a criminal. Shit happens. And then it's just a case of waiting. And waiting. And waiting. But the waiting is finally over, guys, because those 56 days are up. Gonna hide them. Nice big pipe over there as well. And your licence has now been returned through the post. It's now time to do your theory tests, right? You need to do your car theory, your bike theory, HGV theory, whatever theory you need to do now. Well, straight, because you've got 56 days to do this, right? And as soon as these 56 days are up, it is the day your ban is lifted. And the day your ban is lifted is the day you can go and do your actual practical test, yeah? And as soon as you've done those practical tests again, sweet as fuck. Those practical tests are all you need now to get back on the road. Just make sure you tax your vehicle, insure your vehicle, make sure you've got an up-to-date MOT, and make sure you've got everything all legit, because you do not want to be losing your licence again for a second time, like I did, because that's when you nearly go to prison as well. So big shout out to Lewis for being my cameraman for the day, my fucking G, and a bigger shout out to Harry for passing his driving test. Do you know what I mean? Wheelies. Now, Harry lost his leg last year in a horrific crash, yeah, on a motorbike. He was riding a CB125R and unfortunately collided with a car and lost his leg. Now, he's done all right, do you know what I mean? You've probably seen him in a few videos and that, for example.
Hello, boy! I need someone to put my brakes on and I need someone to hold the fucking wheelchair. Oh yeah, this thing is gonna yeet.
One of the old videos you would have seen us barbecuing and that, and Harry, you see, he just gets along with his life. It doesn't faze him like it usually would normal people. Of course, there's going to be stuff in your head going through and that because shit has happened. But I'm so proud of how far that kid's come, my little bro. Do you know what I mean? Like, I love that kid. And well done for passing a driving test if you're watching this, G. Mums, I'm so proud of you, G. Passed it on 1 year, exactly to the day that his leg got amputated. Mad. Now, I'd like to just take 1 minute of your time and ask you one thing. If you enjoyed this video, please just give it a like and just give it a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and everything. Let me know your own personal experiences, like I said earlier. Do you know what I mean? And just, yeah. 21st of July 2021, bring it on. I just want to get mine back, boys. So, ain't happening for a while. But, like I said, shit happens. You'll get through it. Just listen to this video and everything will be good. Thank you for watching. My name's Brad. You've been watching JBS Garage. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.